Before the opening bell, U.S. indices, they closed higher on Monday, lifted by shares in consumer durables as well as apparel, insurance, and the food, beverage, and tobacco sectors. While on the economic docket, Empire Manufacturing spiking to negative 0.2% in June. This all as 79% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Apple facing two antitrust probes launched by the European Commission regarding the App Store rules, as well as Apple Pay. Also, Nvidia, that company was downgraded to equal weight from overweight over at Morgan Stanley. Now, there's not much going on today in terms of expectations. We do have results from Oracle, while on the economic docket before the opening bell, we do have U.S. retail sales figures, as well as at 8:55, the Red Book for the 13th of June, and then we have industrial production figures as well. Meanwhile, 10 o'clock in the morning, we do have U.S. business inventories, as well as the NAHB Housing Market Index, and Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell, his testimony. Meanwhile, taking a look at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees the bias remain bullish. The Nasdaq is expecting 10,080, and that's in focus. The relative strength index bullish and calling for further upside. Long positions above 97.15 are favored, with targets at 99.75 and 10,080 in extension, while the Dow Jones, that remains bullish as well.